Elephants are critical players in the fight against the climate crisis. Elephants are a keystone species for their environment since they promote healthy ecosystems and encourage biodiversity. World Elephant Day is a global celebration of the planet's largest land mammal. But while humans on the planet are battling two emergencies, that is the pandemic and the climate crisis, it is worth noting that elephants can actually play a critical role in preventing both of these. To fight rising global temperatures, we will need the assistance of the elephants. Elephants and other mega herbivores are undercover climate change superheroes, which play a key role in keeping the planet cooler. The three recognized species of elephants mitigate temperature rise in two types of essential ecosystems, the grasslands and forests. Guardians of both grasslands and forests, elephants help maintain balance between the two habitats. Without elephants, trees and bushes would take over the grasslands and grasslands would take over the tree and forest areas. A keystone species, elephants also play critical roles in keeping the soil healthy and nutrient rich. World Elephant Day has been created to bring the world together to help elephants. It is a day to honor elephants, to spread awareness about the critical threats they are facing, and to support positive solutions that will help ensure their survival. Personifying prehistoric beauty, theological relevance, and environmental importance, on August 12th, we honor one of Earth's most magnificent creatures with World Elephant Day. Over the last decade, the number of elephants has significantly dropped by 62%, and they could be mostly extinct by the end of the next decade. It is estimated that every day about 100 African elephants are killed by poachers. The desire for ivory in Asian markets has led to the slaughter of thousands of elephants. World Elephant Day was created to raise awareness and create change to save these majestic creatures. World Elephant Day has reached millions of individuals who love elephants and want to do whatever they can to help. This powerful collective global movement offers a way to establish and endorse conservation solutions to make the world a safer place for elephants and their habitats so future generations can appreciate them. The escalation of poaching, habitat loss, human-elephant conflict, and mistreatment in captivity are just some of the threats to both African and Asian elephants. Working toward better protection for wild elephants, improving enforcement policies to prevent the illegal poaching and trade of ivory, conserving elephant habitats, better treatment for captive elephants, and when appropriate, reintroducing these captive elephants into natural protected sanctuaries are the goals that numerous elephant conservation organizations are focusing on around the world. Elephants are running out of space and time. We have to work together to prevent senseless poaching and the trafficking of ivory and establish protected natural sanctuaries in which elephants and other wildlife can thrive. But we need to do it before it's too late and they're all gone. Currently, only about 40,000 to 50,000 elephants are left in the wild, while the rest are all in captivity. Between poachers slaying at least 20,000 African elephants a year, the ever-dwindling numbers of Asian elephants in the wild, and humans encroaching ever further into elephant ecosystems, elephant numbers globally are at a flashpoint. One major issue behind the decrease in the number of elephants is the ivory trade. Currently, the demand for ivory is huge, with the price of ivory often exceeding the price of gold, something that makes elephants bigger targets than ever. Habitation loss is also a danger to the world's elephant population as it deprives elephants of the hundreds of pounds of food they need every day, making it more difficult for them to breed and making it easier for poachers to track them down. So on August 12, 2021, we will be celebrating the 10th anniversary of World Elephant Day. And on this day, let us all follow Be Elephant Ethical. So the 5 ways you can do that are: follow ethical tourism guidelines, support elephant conservation, protect habitat for wild animals, do not support places that exploit animals for entertainment, and do not buy ivory or other wildlife products. So on World Elephant Day, August 12th, express your concern, share your knowledge, and support solutions for the better care of captive and wild elephants alike. World Elephant Day is an opportunity for everyone to get together to find ways to reduce conflict between humans and elephants. You can also choose to donate to help raise awareness of the issues faced by elephants worldwide. So get involved and pledge to support a world that protects elephants, wildlife, and their habitat. Inform other people about what is happening to elephants, get your friends to sign a pledge, or share your love and concern for elephants with just a simple hashtag on social media, which is hashtag World Elephant Day. Last but not the least, buying any products containing ivory is a big no-no and should be avoided wherever possible. When buying pianos, antiques, or other products, always check to ensure that the manufacturer has not used elephant tusks in the production process. You can also support organizations working hard to protect natural elephant habitats. So before finishing this video, let me give you certain interesting facts about elephants.